Hello everyone, today I am going to cook rohu fish in mustard gravy, which is popularly known as shorshe rui in Bengali cuisine. Shorshe rui is generally served with hot steamed rice. This is a traditional dish and there are many ways to cook it. In this video, I am showing you one of them. So let's get started. Here I have taken 5 pieces of rohu fish, nicely cleaned and washed, 1 medium-sized eggplant. We also need salt, turmeric powder, green chilies, mustard seeds and mustard oil for cooking. We also need cumin powder and yogurt. For tempering, we will be using nigella seeds. First of all, let's soak the mustard seeds with water. It is always better to soak overnight, but in today's busy life, as we get less time, I prefer to soak for at least 30 minutes. Now, sprinkle some salt and some turmeric powder. After that, coat the fish pieces very nicely from all the sides and keep aside. I have cut the eggplant into pieces approximately 2 inches and slit the green chilies. After 30 minutes, strain the water used for soaking the mustard seeds. Make sure not to use the soaked water for further cooking. Now in a grinder, take the soaked and strained mustard seeds, add 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 green chilies and some water. Addition of salt and green chilies will help to minimize the bitterness of mustard seeds. Make a smooth paste. Now in a kadhai, take 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. When start smoking, add the marinated fish pieces carefully one by one. After 3 minutes, flip them gently. Take them out in a plate after frying from both the sides. Do the rest in the same way. In the same kadhai, add 1 more tablespoon of mustard oil and fry the eggplant for better tasting. Fry till they turn nice golden brown. Take them out in a plate. Now in the same kadhai, add 1 more tablespoon of mustard oil. When start smoking, add 1/4 teaspoon of nigella seeds and 1 slit green chili. Slightly crush the chili using a spatula. Now time to add the previously made mustard paste. Add some salt. Do remember, we have already added salt in fish marination and also while making the mustard paste. Add half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix well and add some water if it is too thick. Now add 1 teaspoon of beaten yogurt. It will help to balance the bitterness and as well as helpful in digestion. After that add half teaspoon of cumin powder. Mix well and add the fried fish pieces. Add rest of the slit green chilies. After 5 minutes, flip the fish pieces very gently. Finally add the fried eggplant pieces. Add some water if required, as the eggplant's gonna soak lot of gravy. Wait till the water comes to a boil and cook for another couple of minutes in medium flame. At this point, adjust the salt if required as per your taste. At last add 1 teaspoon of mustard oil and cook for another 2 minutes. Our rohu fish in mustard gravy, that is Shorshi Rui, is ready to serve.